Hey y'all, happy Monday. I'm so glad you're here for our virtual math class. Welcome. It is a great day for math. Today we'll be starting a new series called Time to Party. You'll see in a moment why it is called that. But we're going to be revisiting a topic that we have touched on and learned about before. So we've got one more week left on this topic, but it is a whole new series called It is Time to Party. So without further ado, here we go. Welcome to Time to Party. I'm Mr. Spencer, and we are here on Monday, November 9th for our virtual math class. I'm so glad you're watching this recording. We'll be doing some stuff together. There'll be some stuff that you need to pause the video for and complete. And there'll be some stuff that we do all together. Awesome. So, time to party because fractions are a part of something. And remember, when we're looking at multiplying and dividing by fractions, especially dividing by fractions, which we're doing this week, we're looking at a part of a whole. So we have part E. Part E with the Y is separate because we got part. It's funny, you know it. So here we go. Our agenda for today. First, we're going to look at the week ahead. It is a little bit of a funky week. We'll talk about that in just a moment. Then we'll begin with a welcoming ritual. Then we'll pause for our organization station. Then we're going to take a break. And then we're going to have a discussion. It's going to be a little bit awkward because I'll be talking to myself mostly. But if you've got thoughts, I'd love to hear them in our discussion about dividing fractions. And then we'll have an exit ticket. So, first things first, the week ahead. What is coming up? We've already talked about today. Tuesday, we're going to practice IXL N7. It is your assignment. It'll be posted by 1:45 today in Schoology. Please, please, please make sure you log into Clever to get to IXL. If you don't log in, it doesn't give you credit for it. It's just like turning in a paper assignment without your name on it. I don't know that you did it. So please make sure you log in through Clever when you go to IXL. We'll also begin having people check in with me on Tuesday. We'll be doing that Tuesday and Thursday this week, as you see, as well as next Tuesday and next Thursday. So that's the only other thing you might be doing on Tuesday if you choose Tuesday to check in with me. Wednesday, we have no school. It is Veterans Day. It's a day that we get to pause and think about the veterans who served in our armed forces, the Army, the Navy, the Air Force, the Marines, and the Coast Guard. It's a day for us to remember and reflect on their service for our country and say thank you to them. On Thursday, it is another independent asynchronous day, but you have 2 assignments to do that day. The first is going to be creating a Flipgrid video just to get us into practice using Flipgrid. It'll be a fun one. You'll like it. The second one is you'll be watching a video that I'll have recorded by tomorrow afternoon. It'll be up by 4 o'clock on Tuesday. Hopefully I get it up today. But a video on dividing mixed numbers. So we've divided whole numbers, we've divided fractions. Now we're going to put them together and divide mixed numbers. We've already multiplied mixed numbers. It'll be very similar to that. You also probably say, see, Kahoot, and you're like, Mr. Spencer, but Thursday is asynchronous. It's independent. What's up? How can we play a Kahoot on our own? Well, since we didn't get to do our Kahoot on Friday, I have decided that I will host 3 different times of Kahoot on this Thursday. If you want to join, it is optional, but at 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and 1 o'clock, I will be hosting Kahoot if you want to join. If it's something you want to do, it's going to be fun. You'll be able to be with friends from other classes. The link will be in our Thursday folder on Schoology. Again, that is Thursday at 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and 1 o'clock. This Friday, we're going to practice dividing mixed numbers. So we'll learn about it on Thursday. We'll do some practice on our own on Thursday. And then we'll practice and all together on Friday. We'll also be playing a Kahoot on Friday in class. But notice that asterisk there. We talked about that asterisk up to the side. And what that means is, hey, there's more information. And you'll see down here, you can only play the Kahoot if you have completed the IXL N7 practice. So that will be up by the end of the day today. That means you'll have this afternoon, all day Tuesday, all day Wednesday, all day Thursday to make sure you've done that and completed the IXL practice if you want to play the Kahoot on Friday. If you have any trouble at all, just let me know. We're really easy to reach. Just check the contact me in the About This Course folder. But that is our week ahead. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm excited for a fun week this week. Today, I want you to take 5 minutes and either write a note of encouragement to yourself, write a note to yourself about how amazing you are because you are awesome and amazing, or write a note to someone else to brighten their day. You could write a note to a friend, a sibling, an adult in your life. I was thinking this morning, because Monday is trash day for me, so they pick up my trash. And I saw the guy come by in the trash truck, said, he does a great job, and I see him on Mondays, and I give him a wave. I'd like to leave him a note, because I don't always see him. Sometimes I leave before him. Sometimes he comes before I leave. But I'd like to leave him a note. So definitely next Monday, I'm going to leave him a note. But take 5 minutes, pause the video, and write either a note to yourself or someone else to brighten their day. When you're ready, after you've written your note, come on back and join us. I hope you either wrote a note to yourself or you wrote it to someone else. If you wrote it to someone else, definitely make sure they get it. If you need help getting it to them, just let me know. It is so important for us to stay organized in our math class. I realize since we've been virtual and we haven't been in person, I can't see your organization, but I do want to make sure you have either a notebook or a binder to keep all of your stuff in for math, to keep it in one place. I have a notebook for all of our classes, and in it I keep all of my notes. And that way, if I'm working on practice or if I say, hey, we're going to do some flashback Friday to volume of a rectangular prism, I can go right back to my volume equation notes and say, refresh myself, look at my notes, and see what I do. So please make sure you have a notebook or a binder or somewhere to keep all of your math notes in order. I also want us to take some time and think about how we can stay organized. There are 5 bullet points here. I'm going to come up with the first one for me, and this is something that I haven't done, but I absolutely need to do. Put dates on notes. So that's something that I need to do for me to help me improve my organization. Because no matter how organized you are, there's probably always a couple of things you can do to be even more organized. I need to start putting dates on my notes so I can say, okay, we learned about multiplying mixed numbers on October 30th. Let me go to my October 30th notes. And then I can easily track them down. Please pick 2 to 3 additional things that you can do to stay organized. Write them down in your math notebook. And then we'll check back and see if it is something that you've implemented. See if it's something that you've accomplished. Now's a great time for me to pause and mention the other thing we get to do this week or next. I want to check in with all of you, whether you're watching our live classes or you're watching the recording. I want to schedule time with all of you to get together and meet. So, in our Monday folder today, it is down here. I'm going to move it right on up where it belongs. There we go. In our Monday folder, you will see this link. It says link to check availability for check-in. Click on that link, and it will open. I'll make sure it opens in a new window. It will open an Excel sheet. It has all the times. It has the days. If there is a time listed that does not have something in the second column, it doesn't have a name, it doesn't say Kahoot, it doesn't say lunch, that means it is a time that is available for you to meet with me. It is a requirement. It's nothing bad. I just want to check in with you, see how you're doing. I've gotten some information from you. I want to check in with grades, your organization, things that you've told me recently in the surveys we've done. because I do read those and I want to get some more feedback or give you feedback. Um, Once you see a time that you like, that will work for you, this is tomorrow, then this is Thursday, and then we also have next Tuesday, November 15th, and next Thursday, November 17th. Once you find a time that works for you, you must send me a message on Schoology. So go ahead and click that message button in Schoology, click on new message, find me, and then let me know when you would like to meet. I'll go ahead and confirm you, and I will put you, oh, I'm on the wrong thing, confirm you and put you on the schedule. You can also text me or email me the time that you'd like to meet, and I'll get you put in. So please make sure you do this. It is a requirement today that you pick a time to meet with me. Awesome. I can't wait to see you there. We're going to just check in, see how we're doing, talk for a little bit. A lot of y'all I've never gotten to talk with one-on-one, so this will give us some time to check in. Just make sure we're on the right track now that we're so far into our 5th grade year. Awesome. So, up next today, we're going to take a break. We're going to do this all together. We are going to take 3 big deep breaths in, followed by 3 big exhales. But of course, we're going to alternate those. We're not going to breathe in, and out, out, out. We're going to breathe in and out 3 times. All right, ready? Breathe in. And breathe out. Second one, in. And out. Last one, in. And out. Now I want us to take 20 seconds. Stand up and shake it out. Shake it out all the way from your hands to your feet, to your side, to your head. Shake, shake, shake. Here we go. Here we go. Shake it out. Shake it out. Get loose. Feel good. Take a break. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. I hope you're feeling good after that. Calm down. We woke ourselves back up. Now we're ready to go. All right. That's what we call the old breathe and shake. Now it's time for us to talk about dividing fractions. This is a great time for you to pull out your notes that we took earlier on this year about dividing fractions. Since we are doing this in a recorded setting, I am going to give you 4 problems to solve. If you have any trouble with them at all, let me know. And then I will post the answers. But here are our 4 problems. 1/3 divided by 4. Second problem is 2/5 divided by 3. Our third problem is 2 divided by 1/4. And then our fourth problem is 1/3 divided by 1/3. All right, pause the video here. I'm going to post my answers in just a moment. So make sure you pause it, work on these 4 problems, and then I'll post my answers. I am not writing out the steps. Since this is just a review, I want you to make sure that you have the answers. Oops. I erased all of that. All right, so number 1 was 1/12. Number 2 is 2/15. Number 3 is right here. It is 8/1. And number 4 is 3/3, which we know is equal to 1. Awesome. If you have any questions about those at all, shoot me a message and we can go over it. more in depth, that would be awesome. Awesome, awesome. All right, I'm going to clear our ink here and move on to our assignment. So on Tuesday, your assignment is IXL N7. This is some great practice. You're going to want to make sure you have your notes from dividing fractions with you. If you don't have those, go back and find the video for it, or I can help you find the video. And then on Thursday, we've got 2 things to do. We are going to film our Flipgrid response, and then we're also going to watch a video and practice dividing mixed numbers. All right, before we part ways today, you are going to have an exit ticket. Hold on to your exit ticket answers until Friday. This is going to be a test of your organization. On Friday, we will have a form to put your exit ticket answers in, and that will be it. So, your first exit ticket problem is 5 divided by 1/2. Your second exit ticket problem is 2/3 divided by 4. All right, Trojans, get ready to rock and roll. You are awesome. You are amazing. Make sure you got your answer. Hold on to it until Friday, and if you have any questions, let me know. Remember, we have to make sure we schedule a time to meet with me. It's only going to be 15 minutes and brief. That link to check the times is in Schoology in our Monday folder. And then we have an assignment in IXL on Tuesday. And on Thursday, we have a Flipgrid response video as well as a video and practice for dividing mixed numbers. I can't wait to see you back here on Friday. I hope to see you for one of our Kahoots on Thursday at 9, 11, or 1. But if not, definitely I'll see you back on Friday. Have an amazing day, Trojans. I can't wait to see you soon. Goodbye.